Hello, fourth graders. Welcome back to Science Lab. Our objective today is students will be able to explain the difference between two types of circuits. And the two types of circuits that we're learning about today are the series circuit and the parallel circuit. So as you can see, these circuits both have a battery, just like our circuit that we saw before. Battery, and they have wires. The difference is now there are two light bulbs on each circuit, but they don't look exactly the same. So we're going to learn today why these are different and why we have the two of them. So let's quickly review from last week. We learned about complete circuits and incomplete circuits, and it should not be a surprise that on the complete circuit the light bulb is on, but on the incomplete circuit the light bulb is off. And remember, that is because if the circuit is incomplete, the electric current cannot flow. So if we look at our simple circuit, here we have those negative charges are buzzing out of the battery, and they're going around and around and around all the way through the wire. They go through through the light bulb, they come back around through the wire and all the way back to the battery, and it doesn't stop. It goes around and around unless you break the circuit and you make it incomplete. So once you make that circuit incomplete, the electric current turns off and the light bulb turns off. The electric current is not flowing anymore because there's a big gap. That is really important for our series and parallel circuits because it tells us something, or it helps us understand why they're different. So let's first look at the series circuit. On the series circuit, we have one battery. We have wires connecting the battery to two light bulbs. And if you look, it looks like one big circle. So we have here the electric charges coming out of the battery and going all the way around in one circle like that. All right, let's go ahead and look at what happens when we make that circuit. So I'm going to go to my website here. And like I said before, in the series circuit, we have two light bulbs. Oh, gotta put that there. Light bulb 1 and light bulb 2. And they are in basically a circle. So I'm going to connect my wires to make one big circle. Here we go. It looks like it's going to take 3 wires to do that. And when I connect it, boom, both light bulbs turn on. All right, let's actually see what will happen if I take out one of the light bulbs. Oh, interesting. If I take out one of the light bulbs, the other one turns off. Let's put it back. All right, there we go. On, off. On, off. All right, so that is the series circuit, like I said before. That one was the series circuit. Okay, let's look at the parallel circuit and how it's different. The parallel circuit also has one battery and two light bulbs, but there are two circles this time. So we have one circle that's going around this way, one circuit, and the electric current can go that way. And on the other hand, the electric current can also go like this. And it can go all the way around through light bulb B. So on this one, we actually have two different pathways, the pink one and the purple one. And let's see why that's important. So if I flip over and I make now instead a parallel circuit, I'm going to have my two light bulbs still. But now I'm going to have two circles. I have to make two circles. One with just light bulb 1. So let's make that one. Oh, there we go. The light bulb turned on because I completed the circuit. And now I'm going to make my second circle with light bulb 2. And notice these wires are not connected to the battery. They're connected to the other light bulb. And there we go. And now we have my two circles here. All right, let's see what happens when I take out light bulb 2 this time. Oh, this time light bulb 1 stays on. Interesting. Let's put it back. Alright, let's test out what happens when I take out light bulb 1. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think this light bulb will stay on? Let's see. It did! So this is very interesting. When I take out a light bulb on the parallel circuit, the other one stays on. But when I did it on the series circuit, the light bulb turned off. Let's see why that is happening. So if we look at our circuits again, let's see what happens when I remove light bulb B. Oops. When I remove light bulb A, there's a big gap. The circuit is now incomplete, so light bulb B turns off. But if I remove light bulb A from here, there's a gap here. So the electricity can't go this way anymore, but it still can go the other way around because there's another pathway. Look, I can still do this. On this one, it can't. There's no electric current because of this, because it's incomplete. So the important thing is, on the series circuit, there's just one pathway. So if one part breaks, everything turns off. But on the parallel circuit, there are 2 pathways. So if one part breaks, the electricity can still flow because there's another place for it to go. So light bulb B will stay on. Alright, you have made it through another video. Before we finish, we need to write down what we just learned from the video. So I would like you to, underneath your focus words, write the word notes. And then under notes, we are going to write down what we just learned. We're going to draw the series circuit and the parallel circuit, and we will write down the important information. As I'm drawing and writing, if you need to pause the video so that you can write everything down, please pause it. Alright, so for our series circuit, we have one pathway, and if one part breaks, everything turns off. Now let's write our notes for our parallel circuit. So just right underneath your series circuit, you're going to start to write your parallel circuit notes. And here we go. We have our parallel circuit with the 2 light bulbs. It kind of looks like an 8. We have 2 pathways, and if one part breaks, then the electric current can still flow. So the other light bulb will always be on. Thank you for working so hard. Please, when you're done, stop the video and go on to direction number 2. And I'll see you at small group time.